This video is about how to create an assignment for the particular class or how to schedule an assessment. Here you can see assignment menu as a fourth menu in the screen. Click onto the assignment menu, the fourth one from the top. When you click onto the particular menu, it will be navigated to the assignment list. Here in this page, you can see a plus button, a purple color press button towards the right down corner of the screen. Click onto the plus button and enter the details. Here I am going to give a particular content title name. Select the type. I am selecting the assignment type. Select to which class it should be scheduled to. Select the session. Select the subject. You can mention submit the start date. You can select the end date also as well. Also you can mention a start timing. If it is if there is any time constraints, you can give the time accordingly. Also you can give a end time here. You can give in a description, like if you have to give any instructions or any guidelines, you can mention that here. Then now choose a particular file. Click onto the save button. Now the particular assignment is created to the standard 3B. Click OK. So to this particular class, you have created the assignment. Now we'll see how a student can be able to upload their assignments. This is a student profile. Click onto assignments. Now you can see the particular assignment test phonetics is being assigned to class 3. Click on to view to see the assignment. So this is a particular questionnaire, question paper or whatever. Click on to the description. You can see the guidelines or instructions. Click on to the submission. Now once the assignment is done, the student can submit the particular assignment from the file. I have selected 2 files. You can see the preview that these are the 2 particular files has been is going to upload. Click on to upload. So the particular file has been uploaded. Click OK. Now if the student want to submit another image or another file, if some file is been missed, you can click onto the choose files again and click onto the particular image and upload again. Now the student has been submitted. Now we'll see how the teacher can view the particular submitted assignment. Click onto the assignments. Click onto view classes. Click onto the particular class. You can see a green color here, that means the particular student has been submitted his assignment. So all other color is all other students name is mentioned as a green color, that means they haven't submitted the particular assignment. So click on to Ian Manoj Chitlapalli. Click on to view submissions. You can see his submission. Click on to view. Now you can give the remarks here itself. And click done. Click OK. The status has been updated. So this is how you can create a particular assignment to a particular class. Thank you.